Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect Bambu Lab A1 Combo to Wi-Fi network, wireless setup and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Access Wi-Fi settings on the printer. Tap the settings icon, the gear symbol on the left side of the printer's touch screen. Now select WLAN or network from the menu options and ensure the Wi-Fi toggle switch is turned on. Step 2. Choose your network and enter passcode. Tap Select Wi-Fi to prompt the printer to search for nearby networks. Now tap your 2.4 GHz network name SSID from the list of available connections. Use the on-screen keyboard to carefully type in your Wi-Fi password. Then press OK or Connect. Once authenticated, the screen will display a connected status message. Step 3. Bind the printer to your Bamboo account. Once connected to the internet, it is highly recommended to link the printer to your mobile device. Download and open the Bamboo Handy app on your phone, then log into your account. Now navigate to Devices and select Bind Printer. On the printer touch screen, navigate to Settings, then go to Account to display a QR code. Scan the QR code with the phone's camera through the app to complete the pairing. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.